Common HTTP status codes. Common HTTP status codes fall into 5 main categories, including 200 series of status code for success, example 200 OK, 300 series of code for redirection, example 301 moved permanently, 400 series of code for client errors, example 404 not found, and 500 series of code for server errors, example 500 internal server error. Other common examples include 400 bad request, 401 unauthorized, 403 forbidden, and 503 service unavailable. 200 series status codes mean, these indicate a successful request. 200 means OK. The request succeeded, and the response is included. 201 means created. The request succeeded and a new resource was created. 204 means no content. The server successfully processed the request but is not returning any content. 300 series status codes, which is of redirection. These codes indicate that the client needs to take further action to complete the request, such as going to a different URL. 301 means moved permanently. The resource has been permanently moved to a new location. 302 means found. The resource is temporarily located at a different URL. 304 means not modified. The requested resource hasn't changed since the last time it was accessed. 400 series status codes means client errors. These codes signal that the client's request was malformed or invalid. 400 means bad request. The server couldn't understand the request due to invalid syntax. 401 means unauthorized. The client needs to authenticate itself to access the resource. 403 means forbidden. The client is authenticated but does not have permission to access the resource. 404 means not found. The server could not find the requested resource. 408 means request timeout. The server timed out waiting for the client to send a complete request. 429 means too many requests. The client has sent too many requests in a given amount of time. Overloaded. 500 series status codes means server errors. These codes indicate a problem on the server side that prevented it from fulfilling the request. 500 means internal server error. An unexpected error occurred on the server, preventing the request from being completed. 502 means bad gateway. The server, while acting as a gateway, received an invalid response from an upstream server. 503 means service unavailable. The server is currently unable to handle the request, often due to maintenance or being overloaded. 504 means gateway timeout. The server, acting as a gateway, did not receive a timely response from an upstream server. Please like, subscribe and share for more content.